If you've been following the channel, you've seen us dive into some of the most powerful AI models on the planet. But in my research, I find a lot of other tools. Tools that, while maybe not as jaw-dropping as the paid giants, are incredibly solid, completely free, and get the job done right. I don't always feature them in videos because they're not the absolute cutting edge, but they are the workhorses. And in a market where the best AI is getting more expensive every day, these free tools are more valuable than ever. So today, that changes. I'm opening up my toolbox to share a curated list of free AI video tools that you can use right now to stop paying for useless subscriptions and still get great results. My advice? Save these tools. Build your own portfolio of free AIs, because as the market gets pricier, these will be your secret weapons. And speaking of secret weapons, a quick heads up. We're about to launch our private Discord community. For the true supporters of this channel, I've set up a bot. If you watch this full video, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a positive comment, you'll get an invite when the Discord goes live. Once inside, the bot will send you my private PDF with the best free AI tools I've never shown on this channel. The first people to join will also get special advantages, so you don't want to miss out. All right, let's get into the toolkit. Getting rich in 2025 is actually way simpler than most people think. You don't need years of experience or a fancy degree from Harvard that leaves you in debt. You can actually start earning in a few weeks. Whether it's a high-paying job or just you wanting to launch something of your own, AI isn't just helpful anymore. It's just required. Nearly every job today demands AI skills, as chances of people who are skilled with AI is 130% more than the rest. Worry not, I have good news for you. This weekend, you can join the 2-day AI Mastermind Workshop by Outskill, the world's first AI-focused education platform. It's happening this Saturday and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. on both days. By just attending 16 hours with the expert mentors, learners from Outskill have built and shipped over 100 AI products, all with zero code and working revenue models of $3,000 to $4,000. Now, this training normally costs $895, but I've partnered with Outskill to give away 1,000 free seats exclusively for my viewers, just for the next 72 hours. That's nearly $900,000 worth of training, completely free. By the way, it's rated 4.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot and is highly credible. Now, what makes this different? Firstly, it's just a 16 hours short commitment, which is best suited for someone with a busy professional schedule. You also get free lifetime access to Outskill's exclusive paid AI community to grow alongside 5,000 plus AI-first professionals. And also, their AI learning dashboard is super seamless to navigate, which enhances your overall learning experience. Over 10 million people have attended this training in the past year across different industries, and now it's your turn. During the 2-day live training, you'll learn 10 plus powerful AI tools, prompt engineering, automating your workflows, and building AI products without code. Also, if you sign up now, you get exclusive bonuses worth $5,100. A prompt Bible with 3,000 plus high-impact prompts on day 1, a roadmap to monetize AI on day 2, a personalized AI toolkit builder only if you attend both days. I've even got my entire team attending this. That's how valuable it is. Limited seats available, and they are filling fast. Grab yours now via the link in the description or by scanning the QR code on your screen. P.S. Join the WhatsApp community to stay updated before the big blast. Let's continue with the video AIS. First up, a tool that's so powerful it's being used by professional filmmakers, LTX Studio. This is an all-in-one generative AI platform for actual video production. Now, when you first try to access this one, you might get a message saying it's not available in your country. Don't worry, the fix is a simple VPN. Just connect through a region where the platform is active, like Austria, refresh the page, and you're in. And a pro tip, the free plan is based on credits per account. So by combining the VPN with different sign-up accounts, you can keep refreshing your ability to generate. And it's worth it. This platform is trusted by creative teams and even Academy Award-winning directors. But let's see it in action. I'm going to give it a prompt for a cinematic scene. A lone astronaut stands on the edge of a colossal alien canyon at twilight. Two suns are setting on the horizon. We feed that concept into its gen space and look at the visual quality it produces. The lighting, the composition, it's stunning. This is the kind of tool professionals use to visualize ideas. Now, that tool is incredible, but it's a closed platform. What if you want more control? That brings us to our next tool, LTX Video. This is a powerful open source model built on a DIT-based architecture. That's the same foundational technology behind OpenAI's Sora. You can run it online, directly on Hugging Face, but the real power comes from its GitHub page, where you can find instructions to install and run it locally on your own machine. This gives you total control. And a pro tip, LTX Video comes in different versions. You'll see a dev model for the absolute highest quality, and a distilled model which is much faster, making it perfect for rapid testing. Let's continue with the video AIS. Next, we have the complete opposite of a slow, methodical tool. If you need to produce a high volume of content for Shorts or TikTok, you need Qwen. This is, right now, one of the best completely free and unlimited text-to-video AIs out there. You can just spam it with ideas all day. You simply sign in with a Google account, and you can create as many videos as you want forever. The quality isn't on the absolute top tier, but it is incredibly professional for a free tool. For example, I gave it this prompt: a knight in futuristic armor in a rainy cyberpunk city. And look at this result. It's clean, it's atmospheric, it's more than good enough for viral story-based videos. For creators who need to feed the algorithm daily, Qwen is an essential tool to have in your portfolio. But what if your priority isn't speed, but raw cinematic quality? What if you're willing to trade time for breathtaking results? That brings us to our fourth tool, WAN 2.2. This is another open model that is an absolute powerhouse. It has options for image to video, text to video, and a range of effects. Now, the big trade-off is time. The generations are much slower. My advice is to be 100% sure of your prompt before you hit generate. It is unlimited and free, but you are paying with your patience. But if you have that patience, the results are on another level. The cinematic quality is breathtaking. So, to summarize, we have a complete toolkit. LTX Studio for professional-grade cinematic shots. LTX Video for open-source power. Qwen as your unlimited workhorse for creating content at scale. WAN 2.2 for maximum cinematic quality if you have the time. And finally, RoboNeo as your specialist for creating consistent image sequences for your stories. I hope this deep dive was useful. Remember to keep an eye out for the Discord announcement. The bot is ready. If you watched the video, liked, subscribed, and left a comment, you've secured your spot to get that exclusive PDF. Thanks for watching.